I always tell myself, don't want more than what you deserve.
Step. That box. Yeah. One hand speed bag. Other side. Uppercut, let go. Alright. Let's get beatbox before we go, then we out of here. Yeah. Hey, 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 let go. Yeah. 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 Back. Yeah. Step it out, let's go. Yeah. Okay. Let go. Let go. Let go. Where that speed bag at? Yeah. 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 Swap. Yeah. Yeah. Both hands. Beat that bag then. Yeah. Come on. Uppercut, let's go. Get them uppercuts. Yeah. There we go. Ducks. Y'all know what's going on. At the top, let's go. And back, let's go. Step it out, let's go. Hey. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all know punch it out. Yeah. 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 Where that speed bag? Yeah. Yeah. Swap it up, let's go. Both hands, let's go. Yeah. Uppercut. Yeah. Duck it out. Yeah. Top. Yeah. Take it back, let go. Step it out, let go. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all know y'all punching if we were still going. Alright, we're gonna stretch it out, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all have it. I'm gonna let y'all have it.